Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The principle number 3 I want to share with you is set a KPI for all activities. Set a KPI for all activities. What is a KPI? Key Performance Index. Example, if you say, I want to lose weight, what is the KPI? Where are you right now? If you're 90 kg, and what is the KPI? Okay, your KPI could be, I want to lose 2 kg in 1 month. So if you set a KPI, I want to lose 2 kg in 1 month, that is a KPI. How do you know you achieve your KPI? You can always measure by end of the month. What if you don't have KPI? Then you are not sure whether you are doing the right thing or not. So in life, when you set a KPI, you are training your mind to understand where you are and where you want to go, and how are you going to get there. How are you going to lose 2 kg by end of this month? So if you have a KPI of I want to lose 10 kg, then you know you need about 5 months to lose 10 kg. So 1 month, losing 2 kg, losing 2 kg, losing 2 kg, all the way. And if you set a KPI, it's easier for your mind to understand that this is the goal. I want to lose 2 kg. If you set a KPI in your work, you may say, I want to finish all the tasks by 5 p.m. So you have a goal that you want to finish all the tasks in your hand by 5. You are not going to waste time during the day going on Facebook, social media, YouTube, Instagram, because you know by 5 you want to complete your task. That's the power of setting a KPI. If you are a businessman and you set a KPI, I want to generate 50,000 a month. 50,000 is your revenue, or maybe it's too small for you. Maybe you want to set a 500,000 revenue in a month. That is a KPI. In order to achieve this KPI, what are you going to do? What is your plan? What is your strategy? What will be your daily action in order to achieve this KPI? If you are looking at the other area like money, okay, you can also set a KPI. I want to save 500 ringgit, 500 ringgit every month. So if you set a KPI for saving, I want to save 500 ringgit, you will be conscious about your spending. You know you want to take away some money for saving 500 ringgit. What if you don't have a KPI? If you and I don't have a KPI, we have no idea. You have no clue where you are. Are you progressing or are you not progressing? Are you getting better or are you not? So very important it is to set KPI in every part of our life. You can use KPI in your health measurement. You can use KPI in your money management. You can use KPI in your work. You can use KPI in your business. And all the successful people I know, they all set KPI. However, one thing is to know you don't have to use other people's KPI to become your KPI. Example, if an athlete can lose 5 kg a month because he's an athlete, for you who is not an athlete, you cannot copy his KPI. Losing 5 kg for him is very doable, it's very easy. However, for a common man who is not an athlete, it can be very tough. To save 500 ringgit for you is a big goal, but for a businessman, 5,000 ringgit is even a very small money. Yeah? So never use other people's KPI to make it your KPI. Set your own KPI that you are comfortable with. Along the way, along the journey, you can always increase the KPI. For instance, in the first month, if you successfully lose 2 kg, and the second month, you want to challenge yourself, you want to push yourself, you may say, this month, I want to lose 2.5 kg. Yeah? So instead of just losing 2, You may want to lose 2 kg, 2.5 kg in the second month, in the third month 3 kg. That is up to you. However, if you don't have KPI, you will have no idea. 5 months later, 6 months later, there is no improvement in health. There is no improvement in anything. Ladies and gentlemen, KPI is very important if a person wants to improve his performance and also productivity. I see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.